Let's see how to make SEO-friendly title, description and tags with keyword research for YouTube videos, and also you will get a tool that generate YouTube title, description and tags within minutes. You will learn exact method of all of this. You will get better traffic if your channel is too small. These are the results of the video. Stay with us until the end, don't miss anything here. Check the description for all tools I have used today. Step 1. How to do keyword research. Type your basic keyword here and click search button. There are many tools for keyword research, but Answer the Public is better, and it is a free tool. You will get many results what are people actually search. Let's find better and matching keyword to the video. You can use Uber Suggest to find keyword volume and SEO difficulty. Find a keyword has high search volume and low SEO difficulty by paste in Uber Suggest. Step 2. Automatically generate title, descriptions and tags. After find a good one, copy it and open Video Marketing Blaster Pro application. Click Video Details tab, then select from competitors, paste your keyword here. You can customize searching system by tick in below options and hit Start Generating button. This is very powerful application. It saves 4 to 5 hours in keyword research. In this tool, you can generate titles, description and tags from your competitors. It is very helpful to rank your video. You can find download link for this tool in the description. It also gives suggestions for your video ranking. Step 3. Create SEO-friendly title. You can use generated title and customize it to fit your video using other keywords that are found in Step 1. The tool gives many title suggestions. You can choose one, but it should include the main keyword that we are rank for. I use some Chrome extensions to help make video metadata better. That is the one Tube Buddy. It gives images to create attractive title and description also. Step 4. SEO-friendly description. You can manually type or get some phrases that are auto-generated. In the first few lines the main keyword must include, and you can write description using other keywords that we found at the research. Step 5. SEO-friendly tags. Simply copy and paste tags that are auto-generated, then delete unrelated tags that are not fit to video content. Add more tags from keywords and type few short tags manually. Step 6. Generate more tags and hashtags. These tags and hashtags will add to video description. This is not necessary. If you like, you can add. Rapid tags generator used to get more tags. Simply copy and paste the title of the video, then press enter. Copy the tags and paste at bottom of the description. You can type hashtags using keyword, and there is a method to generated hashtags also. It is not indicated here. If you're interested, check the link in the video description. You can support me. Share, like and subscribe the channel.